So now we are in a chocolate garden.
哇！啊，敲开里面像这样。对。
Whoa, it looks like mango steam.
Right, right,
对
right.
It's fruity.
Yeah.
Yeah. I cannot eat chocolate. It's like
I feel like lychee.
嗯。
So now we are in a chocolate garden.
Yeah.
You like chocolate?
I love it.
Me too. So you pay here. We'll introduce how the chocolate is, how to plant it, and its function.
你们都可以看到它树干上面都有这种密密麻麻的白点，对，这都是可可花。可可花很特别，它并不是靠蝴蝶、蜜蜂授粉，它是靠蚊子跟蚂蚁。现在这里面看到这个啊，都是成熟的可可果。
Oh, you can feel like there's a ball inside. You can feel it. I think it's very interesting for me to visit a chocolate farm because I always eat chocolate, but I didn't know that wow, the fruits of the chocolate is so big. And we cannot hate mosquitoes anymore because they help a lot in the chocolate.
哇！啊，敲开里面像这样。对。
Whoa, it looks like mango steam.
Right, right,
Yeah.
right.
It's fruity.
Yeah.
Yeah. I cannot eat chocolate. It's like
I feel like lychee
嗯。
and so many procedures to eventually make the product.
I was surprised. Chocolate comes from a really yummy fruit. It's like, it was so good. When I saw the names, you know, like the number 1, number 2, number 3, with the criollo and forastero, with all the Spanish names. Chocolate come actually from South America. So, well, I love chocolate and there is a reason.
那我们现在到的是我们的发酵室。那我们现在可以看到的这2桶木箱，就是正在给可可豆做发酵。对
Smell very strong smells.
Like antiseptic.
Right.
那虽然这个时候闻起来有点不好闻，但它最后呢，发酵到最后，它整颗才会有巧克力的味道。那我们做完7天发酵之后啊，就是要像这样子到外面来做一个阳光的曝晒。对，那我们每天都是需要去翻动它，让它各个角落都可以均匀的去晒到阳光。
So, which one is your favorite chocolate products?
Banana.
Oh, yeah.
That one was really good.
For me, it's a tangerine skin.
Oh yeah, that was really good.
Surprisingly good.
Because when the chocolate is good quality, it doesn't matter what you put inside, it's gonna taste good.
Now every time I eat chocolate, I would think of you girls.